Hi, my name's Sam Plonsky. I'm owner here of Sam's Motorcycle Service in Rancho Mirage, California. I've been right here in this same location since 1976, a kid right out of high school. And this has been a full-time business for me right here since 1982, where I have serviced and sold thousands of fun and quality used motorcycles and ATVs like this Polaris 525cc Outlaw here. This thing is a lot of fun. It's in fantastic condition. This is a one senior owner quad, bought brand new from 10 West Motorsports here in Thousand Palms nearby. And it's all stock, all original. It's got the original tires on it still. The tires are not dry rotted. The plastic looks really good for its age. It is a 2008 and it's got very low hours on it. This gentleman has had it stored frequently on and off, and the last time it was stored was for 4 years. Always stored indoors. So we did a professional revive job on it, revived it from storage, and he paid us over $1,500 to do a bunch of work on it. We put brand new CV boots on it, inner and outer in the rear. This machine has the independent rear suspension on it, so it's got the CV boots for the rear axles on it. Repacked the grease in there. We rebuilt the carburetor on it, using all new gasket seals, accelerator pump, stuff like that. New air filter, fuel hose, put a new battery in it, changed all the fluids, flushed and bled the brakes fluids on it, changed the oil, full synthetic oil, put a brand new chain on it, and anyway, a bunch of stuff we just did to it. And this machine needs nothing. It is ready to go. It's the 525cc KTM motor. A lot of power. It's got reverse, of course. And like I said, it is a one senior owner, very well maintained and primarily stored for all these years. And I'll take it for a ride for you. Take a closer look. This machine's a lot of fun, a lot of power, fantastic condition. Thanks for watching, samcycle.net.